come to Jess's house because I want to show everybody what I got in the mail yesterday.
So exciting. What is it? A like tiny deep blue?
It looks like a teeny tiny deep blue, but it's better than that.
What?
So this tube is refillable. That was the main thing as well. It's got these cute little metal balls on the end that when you squeeze through,
Okay, go.
The cream comes out through the balls. You can't...
Through the balls? Like what?
Can you see it?
No, not really.
It's like a tiny little bit of cream out that one there at the front. There.
Oh, yes. I can see now. Through the edges.
Through the edges of the balls. And then, if you're a bit like me and you don't love getting cream all over your hands, let's do my knee. So you might have a sore knee. So you'll go, oh, my knee's a bit sore. So you get the thing and you just like... So you can see the cream came out and then you rub it in.
Oh, so good. No more washing hands.
You don't have to get all the, like if you rub your eyes by mistake or, you know,
yes.
You don't have to worry about, oops, I just stung my eyes out. If you want to make the cream not quite as strong, you could dilute it with some extra unscented cream.
But it's also just massaging.
And massaging and not touching. I don't know, that's big for me. But yeah.
Oh, so yeah. I could do my deep blue or ice blue cream in there and then add lemongrass, copaiba, frankincense, marjoram in there with it and like mix it. Oh, so good.
So you can kind of do what you want with it, but it's designed to be ice blue or deep blue rub put inside. It came empty, so really you could do what you wanted. But the problem is it's tricky to get. So if you have heard of the wellness programs from the US.
Yes, they're so good though.
They're really good value with some really cool things that come inside the kits. You get, for 3 months, you get 1 kit per month. So there's pack 1, pack 2, pack 3. This was in pack 2 of the Relief series. So if you start the Relief series and get pack 1, you get one of those balls that you like roll
Stress
your feet
ball?
on. No, it's the hard...
Oh, like a massage
tennis ball that you're supposed to like roll your ankle over for like spurs and things.
Oh, yes. Yep.
Yeah, so a physio ball thing. So each pack comes with something special. So I also have been getting the immune packs. Mm-hmm. So they've come with some cool stuff as well. Ooh. And then there's also a sleep and rest. I can't remember what it's called, but sleep and rest type one. And they've also brought out some other ones more recently as well. So wellness packs, yes, you've got to order from the US, but they're totally worth it because you get some really cool stuff that you just can't get any other way.
Awesome sauce.
Totally recommend it.
Awesome. Thanks so much for showing us. Thanks, Catrin. Bye.